Today we will learn about multiplication and division of integers, and you will glad to know that they are much easier than addition and subtraction. In the multiplication of integers, we need to check the sign involved in the multiplication. That is, whether the numbers are having same sign or different sign. If the numbers are having same sign, whether negative or positive, the answer will always be positive. But if they have different sign, that is, one is negative and another one is positive, then the answer will always be negative. This we can see by the examples. If we have 9 into 4 both positive, so the answer will be 36. And if we have minus 5 into minus 25, that is both negative, then also the answer will be positive, that is 125. In the second case, when one is negative and another is positive, if we have minus 35 into 10, then the answer will be minus 350. And if we have 345 into minus 20, then also the answer will be negative, that is minus 6900. The only trick to remember the sign of the resultant is that we have to check the sign of the numbers involved. If the numbers involved have same sign, the resultant will always be positive. And if the numbers involved have different sign, then the answer will always be negative. This is time to practice. So start it. Time to check. Minus 9 into 12 is equal to minus 108 because both the number have unlike signs. 9 8s are 72. Here there are like sign, so the answer is positive. Same in the next problem. Minus 5 into minus 5 is equal to 25 because both are like signs. And the last one, 4 into minus 7 is equal to minus 28. So here there are unlike signs, so we have negative answer. If we have to multiply more than two numbers, then how to check which sign the answer will have? For that, we will count the number of negative sign in our problem. If the number of negative signs are even, then the product will be positive. But if the number of negative signs is odd, then the product will be negative. It's time to practice what we learn. Time to check the answers. Answer 1 2025. Answer 2 minus 594. Answer 3 156. And answer 4 minus 217. Now the division of integers. Rule 1. When one integer is divided by another integer of the like sign, the quotient is always positive. For example, minus 56 divided by minus 14 is equal to 4. Here, both the numbers involved have the same sign. But if the signs are different, then the answer is always negative. For example, 91 divided by minus 13, the answer is minus 7. Now a flash tip for all of you. What is true for multiplication is also true for division. If you use like signs, the product or quotient is positive. If you use unlike signs, the product or quotient is negative. So, same sign means positive, different sign means negative. Are you excited to practice more? If yes, then start. Verify your answer. Answer 1 7, answer 2 -9, answer 3 5 and answer 4 -7. In the last, what I can say is but don't forget, quiz is about to come.